So I'm going to show you guys how I remove these emblems on the 2021 uh, Ram TRX. So what I'm using right here is the popping tools. You could buy this from Amazon or Harbor Freight, and also a roll of fishing line. I bought this from Walmart, and also a masking tape. You have to tape it around real good, so you don't want to scratch the paint. And also a knife you have to cut, the exit behind the emblems. So I have got this two removed already, so let's put it on to show you guys. So we actually have some clips behind it, so it's actually pretty hard to remove, and the tips very sticky. So yeah, you have to pay a lot more attention and patience to remove those. So yeah, so after you tip around the leather, so the first step you have to do is use the fishing line. I will go from the lower corner right here, stuck it in and work it the way slowly. Pull it slowly until you feel there's a clip stops you moving around the fishing line. So be careful right here. You don't want to damage the leather also. You don't want to pull this way, so you're gonna damage the leathers. So keep it flat. And part the other corner right here. Go this way. And then the top. So now you could use the panel popper to pry it. And you can see the adhesive behind. Oh, the clips. Yeah. So hold it right there. Use the knife to cut a little bit. Be careful though. Super be careful. And then the top right here. And I have put like 3 layers of the masking tape right here, so it's extra protection. You see. Do not put it very strong. And be careful. You don't want to cut the paint, so the bottom right there. on this side. Super tight. Super sticky. Oh. Got the clip out. There's a lot more tape behind here. Should be good right here. Let's go to the top. Cut a little bit more. So you gotta use the popping pry, and you have to cut around the tips super carefully, and at the same time you're popping it, and you have to cut it behind it, the tips, so it will pops right out. Yeah, there's some tips or clips. The super hard part is the tips. It's very sticky. So yeah, that's how we do it. And after that, tip around. I mean, you could keep this tip around here. So I'm gonna use heat gun to heat this up. Not too hot, warm, and use the eraser wheels. Spin to rub it over, and you remove the top side tip. It's pretty easy.